Good morning, class 12. Let's continue with the numerical part of expenditure method of estimating the national income. So the data which has been given over here is calculate net domestic product at market price. And the items which are given are private final consumption expenditure, which is rupees 400 crore. Opening stock is rupees 10 crore. Consumption of fixed capital is 25 crore. Import is 15 crore. Government final consumption expenditure is 90 crore. Net current transfer to rest of the world is 5 crore. Gross domestic fixed capital formation is 80 crore. Closing stock is 20 crore. Export is 10 crore and net factor income to abroad is minus 5 crore. Now one thing you have to know over here is you need to calculate the NDP at market price, and to calculate the NDP at market price you need to find out GDP at market price, and from that you need to deduct the value of depreciation, right? So children, if we have to find out GDP at market price, so the items which you will be including will be, first will be the private final consumption expenditure, in which you are going to add the government final consumption expenditure. Then again in it you are going to add gross domestic fixed capital formation. Then you will be adding the, see it's given closing stock, and you will be deducting the opening stock, right? Because that is what change in stock, closing stock minus opening stock. Plus you will be adding export, and of course you will be deducting the imports, right, which is a net export. So let's put the value. Now when we have put the value, it goes like this, that your private final consumption expenditure rupees 400 crore. In it you add rupees 90 crore, which is your government final consumption expenditure. Then you add rupees 80 crore, which is your gross domestic fixed capital formation. Then you add rupees 20 crore, which is your closing stock. From this you will deduct rupees 10 crore, which is your opening stock, and then you will be adding rupees 10 crore, which is export, and you will be deducting rupees 15 crore, which is import, and the value which you get is rupees 575 crore. 575 crore is your GDP at market price. Now to reach towards the NDP at market price, very easy. Simply what you have to do, from this value you need to deduct the value of depreciation. So NDP at market price equals to GDP at market price minus depreciation. So GDP at market price already I have calculated, that is rupees 575 crore. From this you deduct the value of depreciation, that is rupees 25 crore, because that is what your consumption of fixed capital, and by now you know consumption of fixed capital is depreciation only. So when you deduct 25 crore from 575 crore, you get a value of rupees 550 crore. So children, this 550 crore is your NDP at market price, right? Now let's do another one, that is here you have to calculate national income. And the items which are being given over here is corporation tax, which is 100 crore, private final consumption expenditure, which is rupees 900 crore, then personal income tax, which is rupees 120 crore, government final consumption expenditure is rupees 200 crore, then you have undistributed profit, which is rupees 50 crore. Change in stock, children, you have in minus, the value is minus 20. Net domestic capital formation is 120 crore. Net import is 10 crore. Net indirect tax is 150 crore. Net factor income from abroad is, now this time it is net factor income from abroad, which is also in minus 10. And private income is rupees 1000. Now you need to calculate national income, which you can do very directly. So by now you know what are the items which you are supposed to take. The very first thing, private final consumption expenditure, right? Then in this you will be adding government final consumption expenditure. Then in this you will be taking net domestic capital formation, right? Now children, as you have taken net domestic capital formation, so in this you will be adding change in stock, right? After adding change in stock, you need to deduct the value of net imports, and at the same time also you have to deduct the value of net indirect tax, plus you will be adding net factor income from abroad, right? So these are all the items which we are supposed to consider. So let's put it the value. Now when we talk about private final consumption expenditure, we have taken rupees 900 crore. In it we will be adding rupees 200 crore, which is our government final consumption expenditure. Then we will be adding 120 crore, which is our gross domestic capital formation. Then we will be adding, now here you have to remember one thing once again, we have to add over here the change in stock, but your change in stock is in minus 20 children. So plus, and it's minus 20, so it will be minus only because the sign will be minus 20 crore. From this you need to deduct the value of net import, which is rupees 10 crore, and then you have to also deduct the value of net indirect tax, which is rupees 150 crore. In the last you have to add the net factor income from abroad. Now this net factor income from abroad is children minus 10 crore. So you are adding plus, as it is minus, so when you put the value minus 10 crore, so that means plus minus sign changes, you need to deduct the value of 10 crore. So when we do this, we get a value of rupees 1030 crore. So children, your national income is rupees 1030 crore. So this is how you can calculate the various items by means of expenditure method.